Celebrate.
Very,
by
very
cutting the
happy
cake.
returns of the day.
Thank you.
Twins.
Namaskaram everyone and welcome to my daily V. Namaskaram everyone. So unlike Shashakana said, it is not true. I woke up at 4:30 a.m. I did not oversleep, okay? But it is true. Today there is a puja at Somanna's place for his new godown at Wellington Island. So I'm going for that. So I woke up early and did my Shambhavi. Shakti Jalna, I think I'll come back and do. Toto. Shadika's first puja.
First puja?
First puja.
Okay. First puja. Okay. Are you vlogging?
No, just a recording. അതെ പണിയെടുക്കും തോമസ് തന്നെ sweating it out over here, breaking out tulsi leaves. Oh, Roman just watching. Only Arivan. Actually, guy is doing all the hard work.
सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो नमः सर्वेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमः करिष्यमासकर्मणः समोत्तम अस्तित्ववन्तो प्रबन्धो करिष्यमासकर्मणः प्रारम्भकार्यसमोत्तम
How was the puja?
Oh my god. Super.
Ajudika's first puja. Ashwatan എന്തിയെ?
Ashwagandha, inshallah.
Our rooftop garden.
Oh yeah. Rooftop garden.
Yeah. Vegetables. Oh, our model, all plants model because of sunlight. Oji, ഞാൻ എടുത്തോളാടാ Oji. And food after the puja. Thomas and me polling. Okay everyone. So recently I was reading the newspaper and I came across a vegetable shop in it which gives free vegetables to anyone who has a family member or is suffering from cancer. So I just want to show it to you. Let me just show it. This is that veg shop in Katrikadavu. So this is the way to the stadium. And if you come, you can buy your vegetables from here. So the story behind that is, so one day the owner of too much noise over here. Let me get in the car and I will tell. So the story that I read in the newspaper is, so one day the owner, after shutting his shop at night, he was going home. But I think something he forgot in his shop. So he came back. So he saw a well-dressed man going through the leftover vegetables, the decayed vegetables, searching for some, vegetables. So he asked like, what are you doing over here? So the man said, you know, my wife is suffering from cancer and we do not have enough money at home, so we need vegetables for cooking. And it really touched the owner, and since then he decided that, you know, he will give away free vegetables if anyone is suffering from cancer and they do not have enough money. So I think he has various branches. He has 3-4 branches all over in near Ernakulam place in Kochi. So it was really a heartwarming moment. And since then I was like, because when I read the newspaper Katrikadu, that's near my aunt's place where I come, so I was like, I also need to check out this place. So if any of you are in Kerala and you stay here, and if you want to buy vegetables, you can come and buy from here. Let's also support him. Everyone, today our driver is Mr. Apache, and we are going to Decathlon shopping.
We got lettuce.
Now we want one red capsicum. Red capsicum എടുക്കാൻ പോയി. Cherry tomato. അത് ഈ ചെറിയ ടൈപ്പ് ടൊമാറ്റോ. This is our shop. Highly modern and RKG geek. ഉണ്ടോ ചെറിയ ടൊമാറ്റോ ഉണ്ടോ? ഒന്നും കിട്ടി? Oh, you are very lucky. കൊടുത്തു. We have finally reached Decathlon. It opened ഭയങ്കര തിരക്ക്. It is opening only once in alternate days, so it is full.
വെയിറ്റിങ്ങിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് കസേര ഇട്ടിരിക്കാം.
ഓ ഡാം ഇറ്റ്, പിന്നെ വരാല്ലേ?
എനിക്കറിയില്ല, അതാണ്
നോക്കാം. So they are following a token system, so we can only enter once the token gets called, and it will take around 20 to 25 minutes. A lot of people are coming out. We only got 15 minutes to shop. It was super fast, but luckily the people in Decathlon are quite helpful. Like a lot of things I chose wrong, but they corrected it for me. Like the bag, 50-liter bag. I just show it to you guys, the pants and everything. My bro is waiting there in the queue. So I hope I got the stuff necessary for that trek in Uttarakhand. My new trekking bag. So I'll unbox. They have put all the items in this. I'll go home and show you what all I bought. Okay everyone, so this is the trekking bag. This is the first time I'm buying, and this has so many zips and lockers. No idea, it's full on confusing. But it is water resistant. But they said when there is too much rain, you know, there is this waterproof. We can just cover it like this, an extra cover with which we can cover the entire bag. So that is it. So now I'll show you the rest of the things I got. We only got 15 minutes to shop. So luckily one guy helped us. So we are able to shop. This is for the cold weather. My new muffler. Okay, how much is this? Okay, this is 699 rupees. Then trekking bags. This one has a specialty. You can remove it from the leg and use it as a shot. This is how much? This is, I think we got it for 1,299. It's written now 6,699, but there was a discount if I'm not wrong. This is also somewhere around 799 or 899. That is my brother shouting over there. And this is a towel. Okay. എന്താ വീഡിയോ എടുക്കാണ് അപ്പാച്ചെ? വീഡിയോയിൽ അപ്പാച്ചയുടെ ഒച്ച കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സ്ലിപ്പേഴ്സ്, socks for this is like for cold weather special socks, and something that I like, I always wanted, headgear while trekking. Yes, we can use it. Correct. So we need to charge it. So right now, see, it is only blinking red. Once it's fully charged, it is highly bright. So the specialty of this is you can, you know, directly put it like this or like this, and there is a red light so that when you enter a tent you do not disturb others, and the white light while trekking. So if you go to Decathlon, I highly suggest, if you're first time, to take the suggestion of the people working over there because they are super experienced in what to buy. They won't push you to buy unnecessary things, but whatever is needed. അപ്പാച്ചി കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട് കരച്ചിരച്ച് അത് കിട്ടി കിട്ടിയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Last but not the least, gloves. Waterproof gloves. Anything else? No, that's it, guys. So, thank you. No rest. You will see me using this on my truck. Bye. Send me their cooking list, shopping list. So, I bought most of the items for today. The sattu flour needs to be not ready-made sattu flour. We are going to make sattu flour. And now we roast the sattu flour. Okay, everyone, I have learned to grate jaggery. Use finger cap. Okay, don't act expert like mom. See, very easy. I am expert now. In one go only, I learned. Thank you.
ചൂടാക്കിയാൽ മതി.
Right, soups, huh?
അങ്ങനെയാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കണം. ഉപ്സാക്കാനല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കണം.
Slightly, I will put on. Okay. എടുത്തില്ലേ? Oh no, mom didn't shoot video. Okay, now we stir it for some time. ഇത് മതിയോ? Okay. Lightly roast it. Okay, lightly roast. Light ഒന്നുമില്ല ഇവിടെ? Oh no. Yes, with lighting it's good video. കളർ കാണിക്കണേ? അടുത്തോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവന്നേ? ഇതിൻ്റെ അടുത്തോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവന്നേ? ഇതിലോട്ട്. This is called a cherry tomato. This is not the regular tomato. This is the small button tomato. Bye. Okay, I am taking my time, but completing this mandala slowly and steadily. Okay,
Decoration first.
mom and my Amaji's homemade decorated cake. It is my G's and Valijan's 33rd wedding anniversary. 33rd wedding anniversary. Okay.
Without your permission, we are going to celebrate.
Very,
by
very
cutting the
happy
cake.
returns of the day.
Thank you.
Twins. Happy wedding anniversary to you. Happy wedding anniversary to you. Happy wedding anniversary, dear FPS and Maya. And cameraman Anandu. അനന്തുവിന്റെ വായിൽ വെച്ച് കൊടുക്കും. ചെല്ല അനന്തു, ചെല്ല അനങ്കുസ്റ്റാൻ മതവ.
Antustasan Madava.
ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വേറെ ഞങ്ങൾക്കത് വേണ്ട.
Mom doesn't want that. Valijan ate on his own without giving to wife. Valijan likes sweet more than his wife. Valijan is trying to eat maximum. Otherwise, he is not allowed all this.
Cooper cake.
Okay, eat right will start in some time, and I'm ready for the 2 dishes also. So I won't be shooting videos in between. I will show you the end product of today's cooking. Okay, everyone, the Align Me cooking session got over, and I have my laptop on a frying pan. What is this called? No, this is an induction cooking machine. Sorry, not frying pan, induction cooker. But the main items is besan ka laddu and an awesome salad. I don't know, maybe I added a little bit too much salt, but still I will have it as if it is the best dish in the world. So thank you, Align Me, for making me start cooking. Besan ka laddu എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് അച്ഛാ?
അടിപൊളി അടിപൊളി നല്ല
My brother was saying original review. It's nice. Ishtai means nice. Okay.
Excellent.
Excellent.